I think there's a number of areas where tax needs to be connected, but as EY we've picked up on four really broad themes that we think are our kind of starting point in connected tax. I think there'll be more to come. So the first one's around globalization. As I mentioned, there's a whole range of new laws and regulations coming out where companies and tax advisors like us now need to provide information to a whole range of different countries and locations and fiscal authorities based on one entity's kind of activities. So our globalization connected tax really connects the tax function to the business from a sense of where are they, what are they doing, what are they understanding. It connects them from a risk perspective around how do we make sure we're meeting the obligations wherever they may be. It really connects them around internationally gathering data and sharing information. And the second one is around cost. So as I mentioned, tax is a huge part of the cost base of any company, and one which is not really thought about outside of profit-based tax. But VAT, particularly in our world in insurance, VAT charges, GST, are a huge cost for our clients because our clients don't tend to be able to recover them. So as a result, is there more we can do there with procurement? So our connected solution around cost savings is all about how do we manage the procurement function, how do we manage the assets that we have in the business, how do we manage the expenses we incur? Could you reorganise the way you contract with your IT provider, for example, to reduce the VAT charges you're suffering and reduce the overall cost in the business? Our third solution is around technology, and we kind of can't have a conversation at the moment in tax without mentioning the word technology somewhere. Everything we do is changing. Broadly, there aren't enough people around in tax, but there's more and more that needs to get done. So all of our clients are looking at, is there a new solution? Is there a technology solution to ease the burden of the work that needs to be done? Is there something which can be automated, is a process which can be reduced to an easier way of doing things? Is there technology in the wider business which gives us the information? A lot of our clients are almost becoming quasi-tax authorities. They're gathering information, they're sending it to other tax authorities around the world. The last of our connected solutions is around transactions. Transactions are a fantastic way to really get into the middle of a business. Through the diligence process, through the transaction structuring, you really know an awful lot about what's in the group and where things can be, where value can be added, where provisions can be released, where savings can be made, where structural changes can happen. EY can really add a lot of value to our clients and through our services with these connected tax solutions in a number of ways. So there's so much change in the world. Most of our clients' tax functions are not able to cover the global footprint that they have as a business to make sure they know what's going on and up to date. Obviously, EY is a huge global business with people everywhere that we can manage that data. A lot of the stuff is really niche that comes out, and so we've got that deep technical expertise which can really take the kind of quirky points of tax in kind of quirky countries and really translate it into something which is meaningful for the business and really understand. So I think we add a lot of value almost in translation and almost in information gathering. There's a lot that we can do by bringing our right colleagues from advisory and from our wider tax technology and transformation practice who really get the kind of interchange between tax and the technology world and really help our clients learn and understand what opportunities are out there.